Today I want to show you how to edit emergency contacts in Virtual Keypad. Let's take a look. Once you've logged into your system in Virtual Keypad, select the menu, then select Monitoring Center at the bottom. Now at the top, you'll see Emergency Contacts. Select that. This is the list of who is contacted in the event that your system goes into alarm. To edit an emergency contact, simply select the name. From here, you can edit things like first name, last name, phone number, and email, as well as the verbal passcode. The verbal passcode is what the central station operator will require to verify your identity. Now, I can change the order of who will be contacted. On the right, simply select the 3 lines and drag to reorder. Now, Ryan will be contacted before Harvey. At any time, I can delete a contact. Select a contact, and then select Delete. Adding a new contact is as easy as selecting New Contact and filling out their personal information. After making any changes, select Save, and your emergency contacts will be updated in automation. Keeping your emergency contact list up to date and accurate ensures that your monitoring center will contact the right people at the right time when your system goes into alarm. For more information, check out DMP.com.